Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee from the Skill Builder channel, and today I'm putting some Roxil wood protection cream on this deck. Now this is a pressure treated deck, it's brand new, and you might say, why does it need protection cream? Well, obviously it's not going to rot because it's had the treatment on it already, the pressure treatment, but it will deteriorate, it will start to look a little bit shabby as it takes on stains and algae and all the rest of it. So the wood protection cream will soak into the timber and it will repel a lot of that moss, a lot of that moisture, so that you don't end up with the warping and the splitting that you sometimes get with decks. And it'll just make it look a lot better. And of course the great thing is that if you do want to clean it off, you can clean it off with a light hose down and a brush, rather than getting that pressure washer out and knocking the life out of it. So it'll make the deck last longer for sure, and it'll make it look better. Now this is a brand new deck, so I'm hoping that I won't have to do too much cleaning. There's a little bit of mud in the grooves, but generally it's looking pretty good. But if you're working on a deck that's a few years old and it's got mold on it, it's got maybe a bit of moss and algae on there, then you really need to give it a treatment with Roxil Wood and Patio Cleaner before you start applying the protection cream. Because if you don't clean it, if you lock that mold and mildew in underneath, it will continue to grow beneath the protection cream. So we want to get it looking good. It's very, very easy to do. We just brush that on, leave it for a couple of days, hose it off, and maybe give it a light scrubbing off, and then it's ready. As soon as it's dry, it's ready for the wood protection cream. And of course this wood protection cream is not only for decks, it can be used on vertical surfaces, in fact anywhere that you've got timber that needs protection from the weather.